Hi, my name is Rohit Bakshi and watching me on Times of India. Rupali is a very good person. I am very close to her. So the bonding is very good, you know. A lot of times we share a lot of things about life also, not about work. So yeah, an actor definitely needs visibility and Anupama definitely gave me that. वो तो मस्ती खो रहा है. It's more of a brotherly vibe with him. तो भाइयों की तरह हैं एंड बहुत मस्ती की है उसके साथ मैंने. Yeah, Anupama is like family. So yeah, when I got a call this time that we require you for a few episodes, Ankush. So I was like, yeah, why not? You know, because I had dates also, and I was like, definitely. So yeah, it feels good. I really miss the show. I really miss the show definitely, but I really miss the people also, the actors I was working with, because we used to have a lot of fun. Because you're spending like 20, 22 days in a month with them, it definitely becomes a family, you know. And we had a lot of fun. We used to share food, eat together, and बहुत सारी gossip की मज़े किए. So obviously it was good fun. That I will not be able to reveal right now. You'll have to wait and watch. I think another 1 or 2 days it should be on air. So yeah, I will not be able to say much about it. More twists? I hope so. I hope so, and I hope people like whatever I'm doing. You know what happens is an actor needs visibility also, you know. So initially when I was doing Kyunki Saas Bhi Kar Bahu Thi, all those Balaji shows, Kahin Tog and everything, there was a lot of visibility because a lot of people were watching it. Then in between, obviously I did a lot of shows in between also, but those shows didn't become popular. So obviously people used to think कि आजकल पता नहीं कहाँ गायब हो गए हैं, लेकिन वो लोग वो shows, particular shows देख नहीं रहे थे. So yeah, when it comes to Anupama now, answering your question, it has a very high reach. A lot of people, mostly everybody is watching it. So yeah, an actor definitely needs visibility, and Anupama definitely gave me that, and it should definitely ben- should be beneficial for me in the near future for next projects also. Nothing specific, but yeah, if you go to malls or if you're going out somewhere in some restaurants and people come up to you and they just, without even thinking, they're like, Ankush this, Ankush that, and Anuj ka saath dena, or aise karna ya waise karna, you know. So it's lovely, you know, people coming up to you and saying all that. Rupali is a very good person. I am very close to her. So the bonding is very good, you know. A lot of times we share a lot of things about life also, not about work. तो बहुत अच्छा बॉन्ड है उनके साथ. काफ़ी क्लोज हूँ. शी इज़ अ ग्रेट परफॉर्मर. कितनी बार ऐसा होता है while we are rehearsing also and we are in the scene that point of time, but when we are just looking at her and she is rehearsing and saying her lines and we are like just lost. She is wonderful. She is wonderful. Yeah, वो तो मस्ती खो रहा है. It's more of a brotherly vibe with him. तो भाइयों की तरह हैं एंड बहुत मस्ती की है उसके साथ मैंने. तो ग्रेट फन. अगेन वेरी स्पिरिचुअल. उनसे अलग लेवल पे बातें होती हैं. मस्ती भी होती है ऑब्वियसली. ही इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी फन लविंग. तो अगेन अ वेरी ग्रेट गाय. सो आई शेयर्ड with everyone individually. I had a very good bond with them. So yeah, that is the reason I miss them. I would say working in today's time has become a little more hectic because it is all about telecast. Earlier things were more planned, early 2000s or late 2000s also, you know. So things were more planned. An actor was able to, you know, work in different shows also at one point of time, like 15 days for one show, 15 days for another show. जबकि आज की डेट में वैसा होता नहीं है. राइट नाउ इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग फॉर अ सर्टन चैनल, so you're under a contract and you just book with them only, you know, for 25 days in a month. So yeah, I feel storyline drama wise, if I would say, things were better that point of time. उस समय का जो ड्रामा था वो मोर रिलेटेबल था. अच्छा था उस समय. आई डोंट नो दैट टाइम. बट आज की डेट में इट इज़ मोर ऑफ अ TRP गेम. So people are definitely trying to bring some new concepts in today's time. But again, if it is not liked by the audience, things again come back to the same thing, saas bahu dramas and everything, you know. So yeah, I wouldn't say a lot of things have changed, but it has just become more hectic now. So yeah, you have liked me over the time period. I've worked in this line since the last 22 years in a lot of different shows, and you have really liked my work and loved me. So keep on liking my work for in Anupama also, and for my uh, new future projects also. So yeah.